Welcome to the practical lesson on disassembling and assembling a dual-clutch transmission. This is a standard technical disassembly and assembly procedure designed specifically for you, the future technicians of the automotive mechatronics industry. Now, let's get started. The first and most important step is to disconnect the electrical system. Make sure the key has been removed from the vehicle and the engine is completely turned off. We will use a wrench to remove the negative terminal, that is the black cable, from the battery. This step will completely eliminate the risk of short circuits and ensure absolute safety for the following steps. Next, we will proceed to remove the transmission assembly. Using specialized tools, carefully remove all the bolts connecting the transmission case to the engine block. This requires precision to avoid damaging the threads. After the last bolt is removed, we will use a specialized support stand to safely lower the entire transmission assembly. Note, arrange the bolts in the exact order they were removed to make reassembly easier and more accurate. Step 3 is to remove the Mechatronics assembly. Carefully disconnect all electrical connectors, including the ECU and sensors. Next, we will remove the bolts securing the Mechatronics assembly using a Torx screwdriver. Remember, the Mechatronics assembly is very sensitive, so handle it gently and decisively. After removal, place the assembly on a flat surface lined with rubber to prevent damage from impact. Now comes the most important part, removing the dual clutch assembly. We will use a specialized puller to press and extract the clutch assembly from the gearbox. This operation requires specialized tools and precise torque to avoid deforming any components. After disassembly, carefully inspect the surface of the friction discs and bearings. A rough or burnt black surface is a sign that replacement is necessary. Before reassembly, we need to inspect and clean all the components. Using a digital caliper, measure the thickness of the friction disc to ensure it is still within the allowable limit. At the same time, use a specialized measuring tool to check the spring travel. Finally, clean all surfaces thoroughly with a specialized solution to remove any residue, ensuring perfect fitment during reassembly. The reassembly process will be carried out in the reverse order. The most important thing is to tighten all bolts to the exact torque specified in the technical specifications. This ensures that all components are assembled securely and are not deformed. Finally, carefully reconnect all electrical connectors to their correct positions. And with that, we have completed the process of disassembling and reassembling the dual clutch transmission. After finishing, check the entire transmission assembly to make sure there are no leftover tools or parts. The transmission is now ready for operational testing.